Pursuing my dream of motorsports has become a reality at age 23. If you love cars and racing and you enjoy racing games or watching motorsports on TV, take the chance to go when it comes. Don't hesitate. Go for it. It's worth the money. On Sunday, July 20th, I attended the Auto Trader Echo Park 400 NASCAR race at Dover Motor Speedway, located in Dover, Delaware. The race was 400 laps, 400 miles on a Monster Mile track. It was a fantastic experience. Since I live on the East Coast in Maryland, I drove only an hour and a half to get there. The weather was hot and humid, so drinking plenty of water is crucial, especially when doing a lot of walking. I explored the place thoroughly and had plenty of time to soak it all in before the race began at 2 p.m. I captured multiple pictures and videos with my phone and body camera. Accessing the front stretch and the infield leading up to the red carpet was unforgettable. I saw real NASCAR Cup cars and got up close to legendary drivers like Joey Logano and Brad Keselowski, among others. I felt the vibration and excitement of the engines screaming around the track. For first-timers, I highly recommend wearing hearing protection. The sound of those engines is near deafening in NASCAR. It's music to your ears if you are a racing enthusiast. However, the race came to a halt at 386 laps due to a rainstorm, and many fans, including myself, had left. But Danny Hamlin won the race after the race resumed with the last 15 laps in the blue number 11 progressive car. Enjoy the POV video, like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more journeys with you. Peace out, Christheradar out.
Grace is going to win this 19 competition. These odds on the this one's open to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we're jump back to 1984. Wednesday night, 8 o'clock, May this food. On Friday night, around the middle of that Ready, race fans, after you sign that start finish line, get ready. We're going to look for that most enthusiastic NASCAR fan. Female champion. Ladies, this one's for the ladies. You two are going to be last. Here we go.
Oh, they awesome.
Number 14 in the program. Ryan Hart.
Like that. I'll take a picture of it.
Yeah, sure. All right, Joey, go get him, baby. Come on, for Connecticut. Come on, you understand.
A lot of these NASCAR drivers, like, they're skinny.
Oh yeah, they're skinny bones. Yeah, and he's tall for a NASCAR driver. As you see, they're like, I mean, I'm not saying anything, but they're like your height. That's how they sort of fit the car well and everything. Bass Pro Shop. Come on, baby. Woohoo! Come on, let's do this. The race is yours.
Brad Keselowski, baby. The ladies love you. Come on, look at you.
Yes, good.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's go. Let's get. First time being in a NASCAR event.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sick. No, I think it's
I was here last last year.
24? Oh.
Yeah. It's really cool being like, backstage. Part of
Yeah.
it.
Seeing race cars in person. I
Not just
can't.
watching it from the stands.
You gonna watch? You gonna actually watch it?
I think I might stick around for a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's kind of hot.
Yeah, I know.
It's a long day for me. But
Yeah, for real.
I might watch some.
Yeah. I heard it's like really, really, really loud and it's very
Yeah. I remember last year I was like kind of right, like under the bleachers and like right around like the right in front of the stands. I was doing the t-shirt toss and then they were doing some laps and it was really loud. It was like just like you would expect, like the meow. It sounds just like that.
So is it like ear damaging?
No.
No?
I wasn't standing there for that long. I'm sure
Okay.
come here a lot have like earplugs and stuff.
Yeah. This is my first time here, so I'm just taking precautions. I bought noise reduction bugs, so it's not too bad if I say hi.
No, I don't think so.
It's not? Okay. It's nice meeting you.
I think if you're staying for a while, then maybe. But I mean, I was just standing around for a couple minutes. It wasn't too bad. Just watching it, just experiencing it. So.
When did you first come to a motorsport event?
Last year.
Last year?
First time. And then I was here about a month ago. I was here on a tour. I checked out the place. I got to walk on the track and stuff.
Okay, nice.
But my first time at a race was last year.
Right. All right.
What's up?
You too.
Going to the racetrack with my dad and standing on the rules. I the cause early light, but so proudly we ran, and the twilight's last gleam, and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts.